Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to fill in a shape. So as example, I will create shape. You can draw rectangle and I will click at this point. The second, you can draw circle. Now if you want to fill this shape, we can use the hatch tools. You can tap hatch, press enter, and will be show for the hatch creation tab. Now you can click inside the rectangles to fill the shape, and in it I will change from patterns into solid. To change the color, you can click at this option, like I will set into red color, and if you done, you can click close hatch creation. So I will fill again this circle. You can type hatch, press enter, and I will insert with pattern. You can click inside, and you can click in drop down menu in here to set the patterns. Like I will use this pattern and it will be automatically changed. To change the scale, you can click at this option, like we set into 3 for scale, and the pattern will be more bigger. Click close hatch creations to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic ZWCAD tutorial how to fill in a shape. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.